Meet Brickwebb, Old Mill Brick's patented mesh-backed brick system. So easy to install that you can do it yourself and save a ton of time. Don't believe us? We put a DIYer to the test, bricking one wall with single bricks, then bricking another wall with Brickwebb. Let's see what happened.
I'm Jennifer. I live in Utah and I have been a DIYer off and on for the last 10 years. Love owning my home and fixing it up, doing what I can when I can. This is my first time installing brick, never installed it before. Concerned about getting it right the first time, if it dries fast or not, if I'll be able to fix it if I mess it up, would be my biggest concern. After that, I think it'll be fun. Doing good, doing good. About halfway there, maybe? Some of my challenges have been putting the brick on quick enough that the adhesive doesn't dry too fast, and then lining those up with the spacers, making sure it looks just right. Woohoo, this is done. This has been an amazing process. I've loved working with this brick. It's gone on much quicker than I thought it would go. The spacing turned out great. I was worried about it, but now I'm pretty happy. I can't believe how great it went. I would say my biggest struggle was with the adhesive, getting the right consistency, getting it on smooth enough, making sure I had enough, or when I had too little, patching it in. But as I went, the more experience I got, the easier it became. And the easier I was able to fix my problems and come out with something that looked awesome. This is amazing. It feels heavy. I'm curious to see if it'll stay up, but I'm sure it does. And I'm excited to cut some time off the project for sure. It's going so much quicker. I can't believe it. I was shocked when I realized I was halfway done already. It was kind of heavy when I first picked it up, but then when I stuck it against the adhesive, it stuck right away, and I just had to adjust it left or right a tiny bit, and we were good to go. At first, I needed to learn how it was going to piece together with the webbing, and once I figured that out, it went great. Woohoo! I mean, it was amazing. I couldn't believe how fast this went up compared to that, like half the time. I'd have to say I like the mesh install better because of the time consideration. Time is money and we all need more of it. So I do like the control a little bit of the individual bricks. I would choose to do that if I couldn't have the mesh, but the mesh definitely saves so much time. As a DIYer, I felt really comfortable using Brickwebb. I felt like I could do it. It came out great. Professional results, easy, totally use it again. Tips for the DIYer. Brickwebb totally made it easier, saved my time, and don't be intimidated. This was my first try, and I felt like this is something I would love to have in my home.